Not if he stays that way.
Don't talk to me like that. Don't look at me in that tone of voice.
Don't use the Batman voice.
You don't know that one, do you? You don't know that one, do you?
What was it?
You know.
Do you know how to do the Batman voice?
This one? Look, if you take your other hand, let me do this. And it's cooking. Get your elbow like this. Let's crack it. My daughter learned sign language whenever she was